Hi guys, we're gonna make today a shelf for my sister. Oh, it's shoes? I thought it was for sister.
Yeah, for shoes.
Oh yeah, and I want
So we're
to
gonna make a shoe shelf, right?
Yeah, but
Okay.
and I want to show you my little kitty cat.
All right, okay. And that's your sister. Hello,
Yeah.
Aria. Woohoo. Say hi.
Hi, so we're going to make it without the bricks, but we're not going to make it bricks. So
No, we're making it with wood.
we're making it with wood.
All right.
So the wood
Okay, all right.
I like that.
have to go together.
Yeah, okay. All right, let's get started.
Yeah.
We made it! Oh, we made it!
We made it.
Ready?
We made it. Yay. Woohoo.
Yay! Woohoo! We did it!